Alright guys, welcome back to my channel at Mathematics Made Easy. Today we're going to be looking at an Olympiad math question which say that 9 raised to the power of x minus s raised to the power of 4 is 65. So we're going to do here now is to write this in exponential form. Try to write the 9 and the x in exponential form, and by doing so we can say this that 3 to the power of 2x, and then we have an x to the power of 2 times 2. So this denotes this, and this also denotes it. So we can write this as 65. And the next thing that we're going to try to do is to take out the 2. So we can see that 3 raised to the power x all raised to the power 2 minus s raised to the power 2 all raised to the power 2. And then we can express this as, since we are writing this as a factor now, we can express this as a factor of prime number, and the two prime number that you can multiply together to give 65 is 13 times 5. So we write this as 13 times 5. If you look at this carefully now, we see that we have squares at both sides of the expression. We have square and square here, so we can write this as a difference of two squares. So by writing as difference of two squares, we must remember that I told you that if you have x squared minus y squared, we can express this as s plus y and x minus y. So that's what we are going to apply here now. So this, since this is 3 raised to the power s squared and s squared raised to the power 2, so that is the difference of two squares. So we are going to do this as 3 raised to the power x plus s squared, and also 3 raised to the power x minus s squared is equals to 16 times 5. So the next thing we are going to do is to try to compare now. So we are going to compare this first expression to be equals to this, and this one to be equals to this. So we are going to have 3x raised to the power s plus s squared is equals to 16. That will lead us to our first equation. We are going to have 3 raised to the power s minus s squared is equals to, sorry, that is 13, not 15. 13 rather. So is equals to 5, which is our second equation. We can see obviously that this is a simultaneous equation, and from simultaneous equation we can easily use our elimination method by taking out 3 raised to the power s. I can decide to take out s squared. You are still going to get the same answer. So let's take out 3 raised to the power s by subtracting all sides. So by doing so, we see that this one is out. So we have s squared minus s squared. That will give us s squared plus s squared, and that is 2s squared. So we have 13 minus 5, which gives us 8. If you divide both sides by 2, we are going to have ourselves as s squared is equal